Good morning, welcome to the Red Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a reservation for tonight. Is here the name of Mark?
Please wait a moment, let me check the room for you. We reserve you Cabana room here for tonight.
Correct.
Great. First of all, may I ask you how you will pay?
I will pay in cash because I forget my credit card.
Thank you. May I have your ID card?
And it is. I carry it with me all the time.
Thank you. Please wait while I do this. Finish. The room is ready for you. I just need you to sign to confirm check-in.
Sure.
Thank you. This is your room key. Your room is on the right.
Thank you. When is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 6 to 9 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.